A smart businessman knows a good business from a bad one. And a smart investor knows when a business is being sold cheap or is overpriced. So, to be great at investing, you need to be like the businessman and know a good business from a bad one. And when you go to buy a business, you need to be like the smart investor and know whether it is selling cheap or it is overpriced. Combine the two and you can make $1 billion. It's that easy, and it's that hard. In Warren's early days, he was only concerned with the historical financials of a company. He didn't really care about the products it produced. His mentor Graham believed the numbers reflected everything there was to know. He didn't separate a commodity-type business, such as textiles, which has poor long-term economics, from a consumer monopoly business, such as Coke, which has great long-term economics. But as Warren became active in running a struggling commodity-type business, he soon realized that it was the consumer monopoly-type companies that has the competitive advantage and were producing the superior results. Graham would buy anything as long as it was cheap. Warren will only buy a consumer monopoly-type company that has a competitive advantage, and he doesn't have to wait for it to be selling cheap. A fair price is all he needs if he holds on to it long enough to make his billions.